Hi, and welcome to the Proof of Concept Studio, Startup FIU's 6-week pre-accelerator program designed for early-stage entrepreneurs. We created the Proof of Concept Studio because we want to help Miami's startup community grow and see ideas like yours come to life. These next 6 weeks are designed to jumpstart your entrepreneurial journey and will help you identify your customer, the user, size the opportunity, the market, validate or invalidate your assumptions, and rapidly test your solution. Before we hit the ground running, there are several things you should keep in mind. Each week, you're expected to complete online modules prior to attending in-person sprint sessions. All online modules combine videos, articles, and hands-on exercises that you must complete on your own. In-person sprint sessions place emphasis on real-time feedback, access to mentorship, and hands-on activities. Our Proof of Concept Studio team uses Google Drive and Slack to share important information and updates. If you're not familiar with either application, that's okay. Peep the bottom bar below for some helpful links that will help you get started. After in-person sprint sessions, presentations and templates are uploaded to our shared Google Drive folder for you to access anytime. If you feel stuck or need help at any point, request a one-on-one to meet with someone from our studio team. Your Studio Flight Manual contains all online modules, information, and links you need to access before weekly in-person sprint sessions. Consider it your guide for the next 6 weeks and add it to your drive so you can refer to it with ease. That's it for now, but we'll see you in our next video, Getting Around Google Drive.